Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Roblox YouTube Shorts on mobile. First, you will learn to capture exciting gameplay directly on your device, ensuring crystal clear visuals. Then, we will transform those clips into captivating short-form content, perfect for quick viewing. You will discover how to edit efficiently, adding engaging elements to hook your audience. Finally, you will learn to upload your creations, sharing your unique Roblox adventures with a wide audience effortlessly. Start by using your phone's built-in screen recorder, which is usually found in your Quick Settings menu. Before recording, make sure your Roblox game settings are optimized for a smooth frame rate, like 60 frames per second, for the best visual quality. Focus on capturing exciting, short segments of gameplay, ideally between 10 and 30 seconds each, which will make editing much simpler later on. Next, select a user-friendly mobile editing app, such as CapCut or InShot, to begin shaping your short. Crucially, set your video's aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the vertical format ideal for shorts. Trim your recorded clips to a concise length, aiming for a total duration between 20 and 55 seconds for maximum impact. This keeps viewers engaged and makes your content highly shareable. To truly make your short stand out, incorporate catchy, royalty-free background music that complements your gameplay. Add concise, engaging on-screen text or captions to highlight funny moments or provide quick commentary. Integrating sound effects, like a bawing or a thwack, can also significantly boost humor and viewer engagement. These small additions create a much more dynamic and memorable viewing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.